Good afternoon, everybody. It's Jean Pauls from My Florida Dreams. Wanted to take the time to show you my listing here at 9 Banza Court. It's a beautiful, meticulously maintained property. We'll enter here through the lanai. Nice little sitting room here. Great place to grow plants. Through this sliding glass door, we go to the bonus room. Off of the bonus room is the living room. Over here we have the dining room. And then the kitchen. Here we have the laundry closet, which is always nice to have your laundry inside. This is the guest bath. This is the guest bedroom. Nice big closet in the corner there. And this is the master. Another nice big walk-in closet. And over here we have the master bath. It's got a shower. Lots of upgrades on this property. It's got vinyl siding, a shingle roof, tropical landscaping, irrigation system, storage shed, new roof in 2018, new washer, dryer, and central air and vapor barrier in 2019, new garbage disposal, lifetime smoke detectors, exterior hurricane straps in 2020. It's a short walk to the pool and other amenities. It's a great value. Again, my name is Jean Pauls from My Florida Dreams. My number is 239-910-6738. Give me a call. Come out and see this great property. It won't last long. It's priced to sell. Have a great day. Bye-bye.